Welcome to the Smart English Academy. Here we learn simple English through real-life stories. Clear, easy, and smart.
Hi everyone! In today's video, Maria will share a short story about a very stressful morning that turned into the best day ever. This story is perfect for beginner English learners. You will learn new words and simple sentences about daily life, family, and emotions. Are you ready? Let's get started.
Hi, I'm Maria, and let me tell you about the worst day of my life that actually turned into the best day ever. It all started at 6 a.m. when my alarm clock didn't go off. I woke up in a panic. My kids had to be at school in 45 minutes. I jumped out of bed, ran to the kitchen, and oh no! I accidentally knocked over a full carton of milk. Milk went everywhere. The floor was so slippery it felt like a skating rink. Then I heard my daughter, Emma, shouting from upstairs, "Mom, where's my lunch?" I yelled back, "Gimme 2 minutes," while frantically cleaning up the mess. I quickly made some sandwiches, but when I opened the fridge, I realized, oh no, we were out of her favorite jam. I sighed. She was going to be so disappointed. And just when I thought things couldn't get worse, my son Jake said, "Mom, I can't find my math homework. It's due today. My teacher will be so mad." I told him, "Don't worry, we'll figure it out. Let's just get in the car." But of course, the traffic was terrible. We sat there for 20 minutes, barely moving. I could feel my stress growing. The kids were going to be late, and I had an important job interview at 10 a.m. Finally, we reached the school. Emma and Jake jumped out of the car. I shouted, "Have a great day. I love you." And then something magical happened. Emma ran back to the car window and said, "Mom, you're the best. Thank you for always taking care of us, even when everything goes crazy." Jake nodded and added, "Yeah, Mom, you're like a superhero." At that moment, I smiled. I realized that being a parent isn't about having perfect days. It's about showing up, even when everything feels like it's falling apart. Those messy, chaotic mornings, they're just part of the beautiful adventure of family life. I took a deep breath, smiled, and drove to my interview feeling confident. And guess what? I got the job. Sometimes the worst mornings lead to the best outcomes.
Panic, meaning a sudden, strong feeling of fear or worry. Example, I woke up in a panic because I was late for school. Knock over, meaning to hit something by accident so it falls. Example, I accidentally knocked over a carton of milk in the kitchen. Frantically, meaning in a very quick, worried, and excited way. Example, she was frantically cleaning the mess before making lunch. Disappointed, meaning feeling sad because something is not as good as you hoped. Example, Emma was disappointed because there was no jam for her sandwich.
All right, did you like today's video? Tell me in the comments. I hope you enjoyed this story and learned some new words about daily life, family, and handling stressful situations. If you want to learn more vocabulary, I've created a PDF for you. Just check the video description to download it. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time and keep learning with Smart English Academy.